Greetings of the day. We, the Team ID 206, are here to present our idea AI Dietitian. Myself, Madhumita G, the team lead, an aspiring data scientist, and a hardcore believer that technology is for making a better tomorrow, along with my teammate.
Myself, Jananishri J, I am passionate in learning towards new emerging technologies by implementing it practically.
We, the team, worked on various underlying problems in this modern society and found to engineer the most basic one, health, under the great guidance of a mentor, Ms. Priyanka Pramila ma'am. We all know that our lifestyles are becoming modern every day along with new modern diseases. And among them, the most threatening one is obesity. You might be wondering why it is so. Because we don't know that it is actually a disease and its dreadful effects, and we've started to take it as just a part of our life. At the same time, we were shocked to see a stats which says 16.3% of the Indian population are undernourished. So, on the whole, let you be rich or poor, no matter, everybody is struggling with the term called healthy lifestyle. So, we decided to engineer this problem with technology and designed our AI dietitian.
So, the ultimate aim of AI dietitian is to make the society healthy. So, the customers can track the calorie level for a day, and our system gives an suggestions like a workout or an alternative food suggestions based on their history if the calorie level for a day exceeds. And we can also have a live doctor consultation where you can get suggestions of diet plans from them, and our system sends notification if you are away from your plans, and you can also form communities with your friends and relatives to follow up your plans together. And when you have a food excess food, or if a particular food is more than the calorie level you need, you can donate the food to the needy, where we connect the peoples of all the organizations together. The technology used by our system includes HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for front-end development, Python and Django framework as backend tools, and MongoDB for database connectivity. And APIs like Google Map API for locating the food donors, and Gmail API for sending notifications to the customers. And since our system is a web application, you all know that internet has made it accessible anywhere, and it is also easily customizable. It is also easier to be installed and maintained. Any updates can be instantly made since it is a web application, not just a physical product. The security of the data is well secured because we use ML models and a secure databases. The entire cost spent on our system is cost effective since we have less labor charges, but we are in need of experts in ML and web development, so the cost involved in that. But overall maintenance and deployment cost is negligible.
And now, the customer segments. Our target customer is anybody who has a smartphone with an internet and a desire to lead a healthy lifestyle. To list down the main customer segments, that our first segment is obesity patients. People who are suffering from obesity can track their calories, get food and workout recommendations along with expertise advice just with a mobile phone. And the next segment is doctors, where they can post their diet plans, have a live chat with their patients, and monitor them regularly. On the whole, based on the diet plans of their viewers, they can gain ratings to improve their profile. And this is the same case with gym trainers or physiotherapists, where they can post their workout plans and gain ratings. And also, they can sell equipments or diet products like protein shake or anything based on the customer likes, and they can improve their sales. On the whole, attract a lot of customers. When it comes to the public, they can use this as a generalized app to get some workout and diet plans in a generalized way, not very specific if they're healthy, and also information related to how to lead a healthy life. And the final one is to donate food that makes them to become a charity member. And then the food donation organizations need not go in search of people who have excess food or who are willing to donate. Just they can get into a dietitian and connect with all donors and get the food details and location. Thus, we cover a huge range of customers on the whole to improve the healthy society. A business can have various motives. Similarly, ours is to create a healthy lifestyle. But revenue is one of the most important factor that also needs consideration. So let's see our revenue streams. We provide a freemium model with the basic features, that is a calorie calculator the food donation system is completely free for the users. And then we charge a minimum level cost for doctors and also users for posting and accessing the diet and workout plans and also the recommendations done based on them since we analyze their medical history. And then a higher charge of subscription is required when you want to personalize your doctors that you can include them in your journey and also for doctors to monitor their patients. So we generate revenue from both the users and the doctors for this subscription. And then a very high level of subscription, the highest one among this, is applied when you want to gain a periodical insights and notifications. Since we involve a lot of expert people in designing this insight development and notification system, we charge a higher level of subscription for this. On the whole, we can also gain royalties from hospitals, gyms, private diet consultants, and pharmacists who can implement a web application in their websites, and so we can gain royalties from them. But we provide the entire food donation system completely free to all food donation organizations who are interested with some social responsibility.
The milestones of our project involves identification of a problem in the first stage, and we found to create an application called AI Dietician. And in next stage, we have collected different surveys and features what people requires. The next stage is prototyping, where we selected the technologies and we started developing a basic features. Then we moved on to a unique features and the development of our revenue model. After completing the development, we will be in the process of testing and updation of our model. And the final stage is deploying it to the market use and maintaining it regularly. The ultimate goal in few years would be creating a product for all healthcare services that needs to be digitized. So, the global healthcare market is widening every day and it attracts a lot more customers. So, we have competition with lots of health apps, but our unique features and overall idea makes it stand out uniquely. Even though we have barriers like data collection and security, we try our best to build a best model for better society. Thank you.